What is an ETF? Well, it stands for an exchange traded fund, and it's a type of security that involves a collection of securities, such as stocks. Okay, so what does this mean? Essentially, you're investing in one fund that has its hands in 100 different cookie jars. There are thousands of ETFs out there, so pick your poison. Do you want to invest in the tech sector or the medical sector? Focus on companies with dividends, different commodities like gold and silver, Forex ETFs, even bonds and treasuries. Let's use the SPY for an example. It's one of the most common ETFs out there, and it can actually give you a good idea of how the market is moving overall. The SPY tracks the S&P 500, so 500 medium and large cap companies within the United States. So instead of picking an individual stock and trying to win the lottery, why don't you find an ETF that you like that has it all?